So I've got this 35-in-1 set electric screwdriver, which is really cool. This is good for helping you with repairs. You can use it in manual mode, you can use it in automatic like screwdriver mode, and it also has a light so you can see better when you're unscrewing screws. So you got all these bits. We have Phillips 1.5, 2.0, 3.0, pentalobe. Yeah, so now let's unbox it and check it out, see what's inside and all the bits and everything. All right, now let's open this up. As we can see, we have another foil here, and we have some padding. The box looks cool as well. And that's what's inside. Really nice. So we have gears. So it has 4 gears. This is like a protective layer. It's like a soft padding right here. And we have all the bits right here. And that is the tool. You press the button once and it's turned on. Then you can, as you can see, when you press the button, it starts turning on. Then this goes backwards. Here we have the USB-C input, and we also have something here, probably battery, which we can change, I'm not sure. And we can take this off as well. So as you can see here, we can change the levels as well. If you press once, level 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It has an animation as well. So let's take a bit. It has a magnet here. So level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. And as you can see, it's quite strong. This is quite strong. I can't stop it with my bare hands. So it's really good. Let's check what else we have here. Here we have a manual one, manual screwdriver, and we can attach the bits to this one as well. I think, no, only the small bits. This can only have the small bits, which are on the other side. Can this one have the small bits? So this one you can put the small bits as well, because it has a bigger side and a smaller side right there. Really nice. Let's see what else do we have inside. We have a magnetizer, I believe. Magnetizer, demagnetizer. Then something for the electric screwdriver. And also the charging cable, which is really neatly packed. USB-C to USB-A. Nice. Okay, now let's actually use it and open this MacBook Pro. Let's take this one out and let's find the right tool for the job, which should be this Pentalobe 1.2. As you can see, really easy. We can put the screws here. And if we want to do it faster, we should go to level 4. And really nice and easy. There we go. We're all done. Just 1 or 2 minutes. And then we can put them all back. Another cool thing is that it has a magnet. Here we must be careful so we don't over tighten it. And another thing we can do, we can actually manually tighten it as well, which is really cool. So we can use it electric or manual as well. So we can almost finish and then we can finish it by manually doing it, which is really good. I really love this thing. Okay. And we're done. That's it. Cool.